Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. In this video I'm going to make a a hexagon. My daughter is having a baby shower, and for the decorations, or the theme is going to be a Winnie the Pooh theme. So I started making, I only made 2 so far. And I'm using popsicle sticks for this project. A hot glue gun. It's already melted and ready. And, basically that's it. I will go over a couple things that I got from Dollar Tree. Here we go with a little mini haul. Her color scheme is the main color of all the characters. The main characters, Tigger, Eeyore, Piglet, of course Winnie the Pooh, and I forget who else. Isn't there an owl too? But anyway, the colors for the ones that I mentioned. So I don't have Winnie the Pooh, but I'm going to get creative with this little bear that I got from Dollar Tree. He's a cutie, and he's the size that I need for the project that I'm going to do with him. Okay, I also have these cups. She wants a lot of the theme to have more red and yellow. Red for Pooh's shirt, yellow for the honey. So yeah, I'm just saying that's what the colors are for, not that that's what it's for. And I also have pom-poms, the color scheme that she wants, which is the red, white, yellow, again red in these style of pom-poms. I also have pink and blue in the garland pom-poms, and the yellow. Sorry about the lighting, guys. My other source of lighting, my overhead lighting, to even things out, the lighting is charging. And I have an idea to make a tree out of this paper here, this brown packaging paper, and these pom-poms. And I'll show you, you'll get to see how it turns out. Alright. And the tree is going to be part of the backdrop. Now there's a backdrop that I already made up. It's a circle, like the size of a table. I guess it's a medium size. It's not taller than me, and I'm 5'5". It might be like 5 feet tall, and it's round, same circumference, round. The bottom is flat though, not real flat. There's still that curve there. You know that it's a circle, but that tip of that bottom is off. And I just put it together. I think I used 9 pieces. If I had 12 pieces, it would be taller, at least 6 feet taller. But I can build it up, since it's not like tall. I can build it up with the decoration, whatever the theme is. Even if it's a curtain, Anyway, so that's what the plan is. And what else did I say I was going to make for her? Oh, can't find my list. I have a list of 4 projects for her baby shower. And over here, I have the rest of the pom-poms. A couple of ones that I started out with. Ooh, my girlfriend's going to be upset if she sees this video and know that I went to Dollar Tree without her. My name is going to be Mud. Okay, anywho, balloons. I bought the balloons that are the color scheme. These are balloons with polka dots. You know, got the red. I even picked up the confetti balloons. Nice size, 12 inches. You get 6 of them in a pack at Dollar Tree for $1 for girls and guys. You know, and I just have the colors of the balloons for the scheme, the color scheme. Blue. This is orange. I have an even deeper and redder oranges in this bag. This is a bag. This came from Walmart a couple of projects ago. It's right here. Yep. And then I have extra because, you know, balloons bust as you're going, you know, when you're fiddling with them. And here's some more confetti. And this is gold. The other one is colorful. What is that? And this came from Walmart also. This one did. And you get 6. But I don't remember how much they were. It wasn't $1 like this one. But yep. So that's what I have for my project. I will be keeping you guys posted on how I make my do my creations. All right, guys. So I believe that is it for now, as far as that mini haul for one of my projects. And I'm going to finish making a few of these, and I'll bring you back for that. But I just wanted to get them started, and plus so that way I can show you what I'm talking about. And I'll let you see how I make them. I'll be spray painting this gold, and I still don't know what I'm gonna do with it. And I guess I can make a few more. I might make 5 of these. I'll see. I'll see as I go along. But I'll definitely show you how I put these together. And I will see you guys on the next video. And you have a great evening. But also I want to say, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, make a comment below. Let me know how you would do these honeycombs. What ideas would you have besides just doing the popsicle sticks? And hit that notification bell so that when I upload the next video, you will get that notification. And I believe I did say comment and share. Yeah, I think I did. But anyway, guys, you have a great evening, a great morning, a great afternoon, whatever time of day it is for you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.